I am super happy because my package arrived. What package, you might ask? My birthday balloons and decorations. Okay, so I am turning 30 this year. Crazy! I wasn't really planning on having a party, but because several people are insisting and seem to care about it a lot more than I do, I just decided to do like a small get together at my house. And I saw these decorations on Amazon that I really liked, and so they arrived. Just wanted to say that I have bought myself a shirt, a t-shirt, which I took forever to fold again like this. But so, okay. So the real princesses are born on December 19th. It's written in Italian. I couldn't find this in English, at least when I looked for it. I'm sure that if I looked for it a little bit more, I would have found it. But I just thought this was so perfect for so many reasons. So having done that, we are about to open the package. And I hope they sent me the right ones because there are like so many options, but let's see. I see pink. Okay, so this is the package. Let me see if there's anything else in here. No. Okay, so the color is rose gold. I guess this is the tablecloth. I presume. I was hoping it would be another material, but it is not. And then what else? So we have the happy birthday balloons. Dear customer, thank you for choosing us. So are you satisfied with the balloons? Here are some issues. Please be attentive. Okay, whatever. Okay, what else? This has to be, I guess this is the 30? Okay, wow. I didn't think it would be this big. Oh, wow. I mean, I thought it was going to be like this. 0. Wow, okay, that's cool. This is the 3. Oh, wow. I'm pretty excited about that. I wasn't expecting that. And then what do we have? Then we have, I guess these are the diamonds. I don't really know. What do they look like? We have 2 in the pink gold and 2 in the silver. And then, oh man. And then we have balloons. So, and we have this confetti that says happy birthday. Okay, so we have some ribbon. These confetti that say happy birthday to you. And then we have these balloons that say happy 30th. Whitish pearl. It looks like pearl actually, the pearl color. Then we have the pink gold. And then we have these balloons, which are supposed to be somewhat special because I think there's like this confetti inside and you're supposed to pop it and all the confetti falls down. I'm just gonna take one out. Yes. That is so cute. Wait. Okay. Happy 30th. Well, I'm just really happy. That is what was included in, yeah, I'm not doing anything fancy, but I really did like how this is going to look when it comes out. And I guess this confetti I'm just going to like sprinkle over the table or something like that. Okay, I can't wait to finish all this. Can't wait to blow these up. I mean, it is so big. And I'm going to have such a hard time throwing these away. I mean, getting rid of them. I guess I'm just going to have to like let the air out and wait for my next friend to turn 30, which there's like 3 other people that are about to turn 30 next year. So I could just like save it and put it away like for them to use. Well, really happy.